Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. Today we discuss about an important ITSM application, which is benchmark. As the name is suggesting, it is a benchmark. It means how you are performing. You can compare it with in your organization as well as outside your organization. So in order to do that, you have to opt in into the benchmark application, and the data is being securely collected by ServiceNow, and then it is being presented into the dashboard of benchmark anonymously. You have the options to see your organization's KPIs, okay, and you can compare it based on months, based on dates and everything. And then finally you have the option to compare it with the top performers within that industry. Obviously, the name of the company who is performing at the top is not being displayed. It is secret, but you will be able to see and compare yourself with the top performer, which is anonymous. Okay. So this is one of the interesting aspects. You have the option to download all the reports. You have the option to see the recommendation with respect to each and every KPIs, which is, calculated in this benchmark application. Obviously, when you have such data in front of you, it will help you to standardize your processes. It will help you to make your process better and provide good services and better services to the customers. Let me give you an example. Let's say incident management, incident resolution time. In your organization, it is around 2 hours, but in industrial cases, or you can say in your area, let's say you are in North America, it is around 1.5 hours. So you are 30 minutes behind, right? You are 30 minutes more than the standard. So that's what you can understand. Okay, we are behind. What we have to do to enhance this? What we have to do to compete or to make it more industrial, okay, to make it more competitive with respect to other who are performing at the top. So once you have the data, once you have the reports, you can compare it. You can discuss within your team. You can take inputs from the experts and make your processes much better than before. With this application, ServiceNow is actually providing an opportunity to innovate, to rethink what you have configured and perform at the best. At present, benchmarks are available in 3 areas like ITSM, ITOM, and security operations. But maybe in future, ServiceNow is trying to give much more, KPIs so that you can compare and get it go. All the basic to advanced level of reporting is available. You have the option to drill down on the results, and you can do as much comparison as you want. You have the options to compare with respect to geographical regions. You have the option to compare with respect to number of users, with respect to industry, with respect to vertical. As much as you want is available in this benchmark. So you need to just go into your production instance and opt in for this particular application. Okay. So that ServiceNow will use your data, compare it, and then publish it on that particular dashboard, but secretly. Okay. Your name will not be displayed. Only you will be able to see the data with respect to your organization under your name. Rest all is anonymous, but you still can compare it. Okay. So just go to benchmark application, click on opt-in. I tried in personal development instance, but it was giving some error because it's demo, so I don't know. But in production instance, you will be able to do it very easily. So this is about benchmark. If you are interested, if you want to grow, if you want to compare with others, just use it and let your organization at the top. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.